Guys, today we'll be discussing about products app for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for products app. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose MO. If you choose MO, it will be just giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation as well. But right now we will be just moving forward towards our specific sub account, that is location 1. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. We will be moving forward towards the agency level now. In the meanwhile, we will discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed products app for workflows. Here we are. It is installed. Choose the sub account, location 1. Here we are on our sub account now, and we have to head towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find for the automations in the navigation bar here and create a workflow, start from scratch. Now we are here in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and let's check on what actions are provided by products app. Find for products app. Here it is. You can just create a product, update a product, get the product, and delete the product. Let's just create a product for now. Name that product. Just set an example for the moment where we'll be just choosing the name as test. And you can choose the types of the products, that is, it is physical, digital, or service. We have chosen digital app, our product, and the description as well. You can add description as you want. We can just again name that app. Save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. You can choose any contact to run the test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully now. Is that simpler and easier? Hope you like it. Thank you so much.